Hi, I'm here with Aldan American, and today I've got our Roadcomp series single adjustable suspension kit designed specifically for the 73 to 77 GMA body. This kit includes front single adjustable coilover shocks, and for the rear we have our Trueline series single adjustable shock absorbers. You can expect 2 inches of lowering with our front coilovers, and then for the rear, these shocks are designed to work with factory style springs, which altogether improve your overall ride quality. Optional items include our GM control plates and also thrust bearings, which are great options for the front coilovers. If you're looking to upgrade your 73 to 77 GMA body, check out our Roadcomp series single adjustable suspension kits today.